Hey guys, I'm Dan. Today, let's take a look at over 300 animal toys. Let's go. First one, we have a crocodile. Beautiful one. This will go into our reptiles box. Another crocodile, same figure but different color, same sculpt. What else do we have? We have a beautiful narwhal. This one right here is actually an overgrown tooth. Okay, moving on. What do we have? A Siberian husky. This will go into our farm animals, dogs and cats box. Here we have a beautiful orca, also known as a killer whale. Blainville's big whale. Right here, it's beautiful. Moving on, we have a lizard right here, and this is known as a bearded dragon. Beautiful. What about this one? Like a mini Dilophosaurus. It is a frill-neck lizard. You can see it has a huge frill around its neck. Moving on, we have an iguana right here. It's gorgeous. What about this? A Shar-Pei with with crumpled skin. And here we have a white horse. It's a nice one. And here we have a Hereford calf, a baby Hereford cow. Okay, what else do we have? A very nice American alligator. Cool. A Hereford cow. Okay, what about this one? A German Shepherd. They are very brave and they are very loyal. Pygmy sperm whale, a small-sized whale. Beluga whale right here. And here we have a crocodile. Moving on, we have a border collie. What about this one? A Komodo dragon. Nice. And this is a phoenix rooster. This figure right here, they're actually the same, just different color, but they have named it as a different lizard. They call this the Mwanza flat-headed rock agate. Very interesting. Here's another interesting animal. We have an Indian gharial. What about this one? A beautiful salamander. I love the colors on it. Let's see what else we've got. I think this is a leopard gecko. Nice. Moving on, we have a donkey calf. Sorry, a donkey foal. A baby donkey. Very, very adorable. Another cow, and I think this is a Hereford cow, if I'm not wrong. A small little iguana. Just now I've shown you guys a bigger one, and this is a smaller one. Komodo dragon. Looks beautiful. A small little rabbit. And here we have a nanny goat. This is a green python. Looks really beautiful. Oh, now we're gonna move on to whales. And here we have a blue whale. Right, let's see what else we've got. Another orca, and this is actually an orca calf, a baby orca. What about this? This is a bowhead whale. I like it. Another beluga whale. Cool. What type of cow is this? Another killer whale, also known as a, or rather an orca. have a brown horse. And this is a San Bernard dog. They are widely used as a rescue dog. This is a collared lizard. I love its beautiful colors. Another cow right here. Should be a Holstein cow. And here we have a gray whale with plenty of barnacles on its body. Another man whale. A white. Is this a crocodile? Probably. I think this is a crocodile. Pot-bellied pig. Siamese cat. This is a boxer. A sheep. Nice little sheep. And here we have a very adorable squirrel. I like it. I think it's holding on to a nut. Not exactly sure what kind of nut it is. And this is a caveman, very small species of like a mini crocodile. I've actually seen them in real life before. They're very small. And this is a baby alligator. So when they're young, they actually have stripes on their body. But when they grow older, the stripes will disappear. Oh, this is so cute. Let's see what type of dog this is. This is a Rottweiler puppy. So adorable. I haven't seen a puppy for a very long time. This is a veiled chameleon. You can see it has an extremely long tongue. A long and sticky tongue, and this tongue can be used to catch insects very effectively. We have a small little cat right here, a gray cat. And here we have a cockerel. Nice. Moving on, we have a crocodile. Right. This is an Atlantic white-sided dolphin. I love the beautiful colors on his body. Let's see what else we've got. A German Shepherd puppy, looking very adorable. Here we have another alligator. Let's see what else we've got. We have a pretty big one. Another alligator. Cool. What about this? Komodo dragon with the tongue sticking out. Komodo dragons can run really fast. Oh, what do we have right here? I think this is like a Boston Terrier. Let's have a look at its name. Yes, it is a Boston Terrier. Nice. What about this? Dalmatian puppy. And here we have like a little pony. It looks like a pony. This is a piglet for sure. A young piglet. And here we have a Shiba Inu. I like that. Very nice. A rabbit. A brown rabbit. Nice. Oh, I like this a lot. This is like our cutest figure in our collection. One of the cutest. A small little piglet. It just looks so adorable. Oh, this is a beautiful cat. I think this figure was added to our collection a couple of weeks back. I like it a lot. And here's another really adorable animal, a chinchilla. Next, we're gonna take a look at a huge animal, a huge mammal, a bowhead whale. A dolphin. They are very intelligent. Here's here's another crocodile. I think we have at least 10 crocodiles in our collection. Here's another one, but this, it's a Nile crocodile. Oh, cute. Jack Russell Terrier. And here we have a pig, a female pig, also known as a sow. And we have a Frisian cow, not a Holstein cow. I always get the two of them mixed up. A small little narwhal. It's nice. What is this, guys? I have totally forgotten. This is actually a Quartera. Nice, very nice. A crocodile, again, small little one. And here we have a Minke whale. Next up, we have a thorny dragon. You can see its entire body, it's filled with thorns. And this little protruded part right here, it's actually a false head. It can hide its real head to expose the fake head to distract other animals. Here's a schnauzer. And our one and only marine iguana. I like that. Beautiful. Another dolphin. Bottlenose dolphin. A bearded dragon. Nice. Another veiled chameleon. And here's a dolphin. Another dolphin. A horned chameleon. Nice. Beluga whale. And here we have another blue whale. Nice. Humpback whale. Yep, it is a humpback whale. Oh, I put this figure in the wrong box. Sometimes when I'm talking, I might put the figures in the wrong box. I get distracted sometimes. A small bearded dragon. A small iguana. A fruit neck lizard. I think this is like our second fruit neck lizard in our collection. We only have two of them, I think. A dolphin right here. Could be a Pacific white-sided dolphin, but I'm not exactly sure. Probably a Frisian cow. This one, it's a Holstein cow. A donkey. Very nice. Here we have a duck. Oh, this one is a huge one. A huge Komodo dragon. A very young horse. I think this is... what kind of horse is this? Not sure, let's just call this a foal. A young horse. Oh, I love this cat. It looks so cute. It's like ready to play, ready to pounce. Cute. A goat right here. I think this is a pygmy goat, if I'm not wrong. Is there a name? Let's have a look. It's really, really tiny. Yeah, but I think it's a pygmy goat. Nice. Oh, this is definitely in the wrong box. So this is a rockhopper penguin, but I think it's okay to place it with the whales. Oh, beautiful dog. Let's have a look. What is his name? Bernese Mountain Dog. Yeah, Bernese Mountain Dog. They're very brave, they're very strong. Here with a black sheep. Another goat, and I think this is a billy goat. Yes, it is a billy goat. Another sheep right here. We've got some chicks and a hen. A Siamese cat, if I'm not wrong. This one looks very cute too. More realistic looking. This is an Australian cat dog. So this one fits perfectly into the farm animals and dogs collection. Golden Retriever, very gentle nature. I mean, just look at the face. They have crafted this figure so well. It looks like an actual Golden Retriever. Oh, this is one of the furry chickens. I have no idea what is the actual name. So if you guys know, do let me know in the comments. And here we have an Americana chicken. Very cool. A rabbit. Nice. A duck. And this is known as an American Staffordshire Terrier. Nice. They're very brave, very intelligent, they're strong as well. And this is a Persian cat. They look so cute. I like their flat face. A sheep with plenty of wool. Cool. We have an alligator snapping turtle. It shouldn't be in this box because we do have a box to put all the different tortoises and the turtles. And this is actually not a modern day crocodile. It is a prehistoric crocodile by the name of Deinosuchus. Very nice. I'm gonna move on to the next one. A nanny goat. And here we have a duck. This is a crested gecko. A Komodo dragon. We have so many Komodo dragons in the collection. A white alligator. This is like a small little hen. This is an American alligator if I'm not wrong. Beautiful figure. Really, really beautiful. This one, it's a horned lizard. Nice. Very nice. A bearded dragon. Another cute little cat. Seems to be, I'm not too sure what kind of cat this is. Let's have a look. I can't remember. British short hair. Nice. Very, very cute. I love the, the very, how to say, the face. It looks so innocent. It also looks very goofy at the same time. A cow. A goat. What about this? A baby. Let's have a look. Doberman Pinscher puppy. Yeah, so cute. I love puppies. I haven't seen a puppy for a very long time. An orange tabby cat. This is a British bulldog, I think. Let's have a look. We've got two beautiful dolphins right here. Here we have a Great Dane. Nice. A pink dolphin, also known as an Amazon River dolphin. This is a huge one, guys. A huge figure in our collection, a right whale. I like it. It's nice. Very nice. Okay, we have a pilot whale right here. Here's another pilot whale. Pilot whales, they swim in pods. Okay, and there's always a leader, which is known as the pilot. Pacific white-sided dolphin. Very cool. Here we have another lizard. I'm not too sure what it is. It's probably a thorny lizard as well, with a mink whale again. Here we have a buffalo, a cool buffalo. This is like a mini humpback whale figure. I like it. Vaquita porpoise. Critically endangered. The last time I've read, there are less than 10. I'm not too sure about it right now. Northern right whale dolphin. That's kind of cool. I didn't know this species exists. And this is actually a beluga calf. Nice. We gonna go a little bit faster. This is a Irish red setter. We have a Guernsey cow here. Another really beautiful golden retriever, but I think the previous one looks better. Another really furry chicken. I like this kind of chickens. And a hop seal. This is probably not, shouldn't be in this box. We have another Dalmatian. Nice. A huge one, which is another right whale. This is a sperm whale. We have a sei whale. A beluga whale. Nice. Very nice. And here we have a goat with very, very long horns. And here we have a Hampshire pig. A small little orca. We have an alligator right here. This is a bearded dragon. A dachshund. Another cow. Hungarian pig with, well known for its curly hair. We have a small little foal. A brown hare. A wild rabbit. A collie puppy. Here we have a white dog. Shih Tzu. My doggy Tutu, it's a Shih Tzu. Another hairy chicken. We got another golden retriever. I think this is like a Cocker Spaniel. Chicken, probably an Americana chicken. Collie are just so elegant looking, gorgeous. We've got a rabbit and a Shiba Inu. Both are super adorable. Now left with some farm animals. We have a French bulldog, known as Frenchie. We've got a sheep, very nice sheep. We've got two pigs right here. White rabbit, very, very adorable. Beautiful eyes. And we have a Ganges River dolphin. Nice. Down to our last few figures. A gander, the go fast. Donkey foal, go fast. We have our, I'm not sure, a terrier, I suppose. We've got a Boston terrier. I'm not too sure. I can't really tell. We've got a German Shepherd, that's for sure. We've got a sheep right here. We've got another sheep right here. And we've got a very cool. We've got a poodle, one of the most intelligent dogs out there. We've got a Labrador. We've got another rooster or cockerel. And we've got another sow, a pig. And we've got a small little eagle ray, I think. And we've got a Minx cat right here. We've got a little duck. We've got some cheeks. We've got a Jack Russell Terrier. We've got another chicken. We've got another chicken. This is a Bantam chicken. And this is an alpaca. A small little pig. And last but not least, a small little donkey. Thanks for watching this. I have shown you guys 3 boxes of animal toys. Okay? Thanks for watching this. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.